All right, Cooper, time to set up. All right, buddy, here's our spot. In you go, safe from the wind. All right, time to warm up. Looks like you got this down. Just need to get this stove going. Almost ready, Cooper. Just a little longer. Woof, woof, woof. Patience, buddy. There you go, a little piece. You're a good dog, Cooper. We'll be all right in here. Wow, Cooper, look at all this snow. Ow. All right, let's start digging this truck out. Good morning, Cooper. Quite a job ahead of us. Park, park. Watch out, buddy, don't get buried. Woo. All right, let's get this truck moving. All right, Cooper, time to check the fuel. Woof, woof. Just need enough for the trek back, buddy. Let's see. All right, Cooper, let's get this packed up. Woof. Time for a warm drink, Cooper. Whimper. Whimper. All right, Cooper, almost ready.
Why?
Just a minute, buddy.
Here you go, buddy. Slow down. Slow down.
Thanks, Elias. This is better. Time to warm up, Cooper.
Good boy.
Good boy. What do you see out there? Come here, buddy. Let's relax a bit. You're a good boy, aren't you? Woof. Just a little longer and we'll have some tea. All right, buddy. Getting ready to roll. Woof. Just need to get this pot settled. There you go. Hold on tight, Cooper. We got a bit of ice up ahead. All right, Cooper, easy now. Let's see if this ice holds. I know, just be patient. Almost there, just a bit more grit. Arf! We made it, Cooper. All right, Cooper, quick check, then back on the road. Woo! All right, Cooper, 5 minutes to stretch your legs. Go on, you deserve it. All right, Cooper, just a few miles more. Look, right through that gap, the logging road. We're almost home. All right, Cooper, let's get this out of the way.
Park, park, park.
Just a little more pressure. All right, Cooper, time to get back on the road. Almost there, buddy. We did it. All right, buddy, we're home. Good job, Cooper.
Yeah.
Time for a hot toddy? Yes. That was a good run. God, this is good. So much easier than melting snow.
Oh.
Just the storm outside. Keep sleeping, Cooper. Another quiet morning.
Ooh.
Let's go. All right, Cooper, almost done. Good boy. Just a little more.
What?
There you go. All right, buddy, stay here and keep watch.
Whoa.
Just gotta secure these chains. There, lock tight. We're ready for the ice. All right, time to grab that strap. Don't want to get stuck. Whew. Keep going, Cooper. It's just up here. Woof, woof. Good boy, hang tight.
All right, Cooper, stay here. I'm just checking something. Woof, woof. That doesn't sound good. Maybe further down.
All right, let's see how warm you are. Thermals are holding steady. Fluids look good, no corrosion on the terminals, ready to roll. All right, lockers engaged, deep breath. Finding grip. Okay, we're climbing. Stay steady, almost there.
Severe weather warning. Second front expected within the hour. Seek shelter immediately.
Woof, 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 woof. Almost got me. Stay clear, Cooper. Yep, yep. Just one more check. There, good boy. All right, Cooper, up you go. Time to get some light on this trail.
Rough.
Good dog. Flipping the switch now. There, much better. Let's roll. All right, buddy, let's get this moved. Woo, woo, woo. Just a little more. Woo, 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 woo. All right, Cooper, final hour. Woo. Just need to stay alert. Here we go.
All right, where did I put that key? Ah, here it is. Got it.
All right, Cooper. High range. Whoop, whoop, whoop. We're almost home, buddy. Almost there, buddy. Just a little further. All right, Cooper, gas station.
Look at that rig.
He came from deep in the woods. Keep the change. Thanks.
You bet.
He's been waiting a while. Almost home, buddy.
The cold survival mission was a success. Glad to be back in the warmth. All right, Cooper, let's head home. Just a bit further, boy.
God, that's better. Oh. Woof.
Surviving the bomb cyclone.
Yes, nailed it.
That was the best shot.